details of the 17 Amory Street in Nashua of why we're using a security system here. This is a tougher neighborhood here in Nashua, and I had advised the clients that making sure that all windows and doors were secure, I had installed a security system so that any movement within the apartment would trigger an alarm with the Nashua Police Department. So as you can see, our entry alarm box, and then going over, I advised that we at every door put a motion sensor type of an alarm, especially since this property was vacant. The homeowners or heirs of this property did not realize that this home could be easily broken into. And advised that they also barricade the back door here if they weren't going to be in town. I don't recommend this for every property. This property, I did recommend that they do something here, because it would be very easy to kick that door in and steal all the electrical wire and copper out of here. So we had them build a small brace so that you could not easily kick the door in.